Disney Frozen Family Matters. As Olaf walked through the castle, he noticed a portrait of Queen Elsa and her sister, Princess Anna. The painting made him happy because he liked the sisters so much. Just then, Olaf heard Elsa's voice. "Maybe the ballroom," she said. "The ballroom is too big," Anna replied. "How about courtyard?" Olaf stared at the image in awe. "Wow, this painting is so realistic," he exclaimed. "The courtyard doesn't seem right either," Elsa continued. Suddenly, Olaf realized the voices weren't coming from the portrait, but from the study at the end of the hall. "What are you doing?" he asked. "We are planning a party," Elsa explained. "I love parties," Olaf exclaimed. At that moment, Greta and Kai entered the study. "Good morning," Greta said. "I have got some new flowers for you. And I have your hot chocolate," Kai chimed in. Anna quickly pulled Olaf aside. "It's a surprise party," she whispered. "So you have to keep it a secret." "I love secrets," whispered Olaf as Kai and Greta left the room. Elsa had an idea. "Olaf, would you like to gather supplies for the party?" The little snowman's eyes lit up. "Really?" Elsa handed him a list. "Oh," said Olaf, "these must be secret ingredients. You can count me on." And before the sisters could read the list to him, Olaf raced outside and bumped right into Kristoff. "Hi," Olaf said. "I'm helping with the surprise party." Kristoff grinned. "You mean the one for—" But Olaf shushed Kristoff. "Even my list is a secret." "Really?" asked Kristoff. "Yes, so secret even I don't know what it says. See?" Kristoff laughed. "That's because you can't read," he said. "Let me help." Kristoff read the list to Olaf and Sven. In no time, the snowman and the reindeer were off to find the supplies. The first item was goat cheese. When Olaf and Sven pulled up to the Mart Anderson's family goat farm, Marty and Gordon welcomed them warmly. Gordon looked at Olaf's list. "A party, Our cheese wheels are a perfect party snack." "What are cheese wheels?" Olaf asked. "It's how we store cheese," explained Gordon. "We tried rectangles and it was a disaster." Some of the Andersons' kids helped to load the cheese onto the wagon. Olaf and Sven thanked them and headed to their next stop, the Miller family flour mill. When the wagon halted in front of a windmill, a young girl greeted them. "Hi," she said. "I am Nora." "Hi, I'm Olaf." "And I like warm hugs," Olaf said. Nora was happy to give him one. "Is your windmill haunted?" Olaf asked when he saw a shadowy figure. "That's no ghost," Nora laughed. "That's Uncle Lassie. He is just covered in flour. Flour isn't just in our family," Nora explained. "It's in our clothes too." Olaf showed them his list. Uncle Lassie quickly fetched a few sacks of flour and put them in the wagon. "Your party sounds like fun," he said. "And here's a plenty of flour to bake a cake big enough to feed the entire castle." "I didn't know castle could eat," Olaf said, waving goodbye. Olaf and Sven had one last item to get. Flowers from the nursery run by two sisters, Violet and Vita. Olaf showed the sisters his list, and Violet quickly rolled up a wheelbarrow full of different flowers. "This garden's been in our family for generations," said Violet. "You are a family too?" asked Olaf. "Do you have goats or ghosts?" Vita smiled. "Families are like snowflakes. They are hard to catch on your tongue." Olaf interrupted. "And no two are exactly alike," Vita said. When The snowman returned to the castle. He was greeted by Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff. I have all the secret ingredients, said Olaf. Great work, Olaf, Anna said. Then she began pulling the petals of the flowers. Kristoff carried the flower towards the castle, and Elsa whisked away a plateful of cheese wheels. See you at the party, she said to Olaf. Don't forget, it's in the library. But when Olaf arrived at the library, he saw only Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Sven. Where is everyone else? He asked. This party is for our family, Elsa said, and the guests of honors are about to arrive. At that moment, Greta and Kai entered. Anna and Elsa threw the colorful flower petals in the air and shouted, Surprise! Greta and Kai were speechless. You have been a family to us ever since I can remember, Elsa said with a smile. We wanted to say thank you. You did all this for us? Greta asked. Elsa said, We wanted to do something nice for you. Kai looked into his cup, which was filled with delicious frozen chocolate. I can tell you made it, he said. We added a little vinegar and salt to the flour Olaf bought us, and Anna and I used to polish all the brass and copper in the kitchen, said Kristoff. Olaf turned to Anna. And you made these flowers into colorful snow. Yes, Anna said. It's called as confetti. Said Olaf. So, what is the cheese for? To eat, of course, said Kai, as she took a big bite. It's my favorite. This is a different kind of party, said Olaf. Anna chuckled. Well, we are a different kind of family. Yeah, different, said Olaf. Just like everyone else.